Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another rainy day clean with me. It has been raining lots here in sunny Queensland, and today I am just writing out a list of a few things that I want to tackle, and I'm going to pop on a timer for 20 minutes and tackle these tasks. If you are ever feeling unmotivated and you think that everything is quite overwhelming, my suggestion is to pop on a timer for either 10 minutes or 20 minutes and you can see how much you can get done. So today I am just tackling a few things like vacuuming under this sofa, and as you can see it hasn't been done for a while, and I am also going to do a few other things too. I hope today's video gives you the motivation that you are looking for, and if you are new here, I would love for you to consider clicking that subscribe button and joining my YouTube family, and don't forget to click the bell notification as well. And if you are looking at those sofa covers and thinking, Michelle, they need to go in the wash, yes they do, but with all this rain I haven't had a chance. So that is real life, that the sofa covers have stains and marks on them. To be quite honest, they do need to be new covers because there are a few tear marks on them. But anyway, I'm going to stop chatting. I'm going to pop some relaxing music on, grab your cleaning caddy, clean along with me, and let's get cleaning.
There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. But you always pick.
Oh, again, apologies if you can hear a loud hushing kind of noise in the background. It is raining, torrential rain almost. I don't think it's torrential, but it hasn't stopped raining all evening, and doing this voiceover you're going to hear some rain in the background. So first off, I obviously have vacuumed under the lounges, and then I sprayed the lounges with some of the fluffy crease release. Just made the sofas smell a lot nicer, and then I just dusted and wiped everything down with the Method Rhubarb Cleaner. I love the smell of that. I also lit a candle, that isn't even a word, lit a candle and popped on some music on Spotify on my Google Home, and I always love listening to acoustic covers. I will link the playlist below. This was a Friday evening, and this was just before we were about to have dinner. Although you will see that I'm going to be popping away a few dishes, they were the dishes that I didn't get popped away the night before. So that is a little bit of reality too. I had a nice, relaxed, chilled, rainy day, and I just still wanted to give the house a little bit of a tidy. I always love starting my Friday evening with a tidy home and some chilled music, whether it's raining or not.
Fast isn't always the best. Sometimes your turns makes me dizzy, but with you I don't need the contest. Like nobody is judging.
If you are new here, this is my butler's pantry, and we haven't actually finished painting the cupboards in here. They need another coat and a coat on the top so they can be easily wiped over. That's why they are looking a little bit blotchy, why there's no handles, and soon there will be a farmhouse sink. Now, I say this in every video, and please cross all your fingers and toes that gets done very soon. And if you would like to follow more about my home renovation, then definitely go and follow over on Instagram. I'll pop that up on the screen now. I share a lot of our home renovations and everyday life over there, and I'm on Insta stories quite a lot as well. But that's the story behind the kitchen cabinets, but I hope this video is giving you the motivation that you are looking for today.
If you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
So the timer went off, and I could have just left this, but I wanted to give the sink a quick wipe out with some very antibacterial dishwashing liquid, and I popped that in a Dishlex wand, and then I'm just going to give the bench top here a quick wipe over with the Method Granite Cleaner, so it's just nice and fresh and clean in here when I come in here this evening.
Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego,
Thank you so much for watching, lovelies. I hope today's video gave you the motivation that you were looking for, and if this was your first time watching one of my videos, I would love for you to consider clicking the subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. And if you do, make sure you hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos of mine. And if you're after more cleaning motivation today, I'm going to pop a playlist up on the screen now with hours more of cleaning motivation. But I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, lovelies.